Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today's part 2 of my Temu haul. Now Temu is an online marketplace platform where everyone can find their favourite products. Customers can enjoy affordable marketplace prices from millions of sellers and manufacturers and brands around the world. And hope that you can discover some hidden finds for yourself in Temu. Don't forget that you get amazing coupons, especially if you're a first-time Temu buyer. You can download the app and you can get an $100 discount coupon off your first order. You can also find coupons of up to 90% off. So download the app. I haven't had any problems with the app. I've had discounts like that and they've been awesome. There's lots of other different discounts. There's all sorts of discounts you can get in there, and the prices are just amazing. Now Temu offers free shipping and it also offers free returns up to 90 days. I'll have on-screen information, plus all the information for the products you see here today will be in my description box. The links to Temu will be there, the links to the app and all sorts of links that you need to get there and find what you're looking for will be down below. So let's get started and let's open our second package. Now the first thing I see in here is some white markers. Now, if you love doing what do you call it? Mixed media, working with the jelly plate, all that sort of stuff, you know that those splatters at the end of white markers are so cool. So let's have a little go at these and see how they come out. Oh, that works beautiful. Beautiful. And some of these white things are hard to get going, but look at that. Look at the dots that it puts on. Beautiful. I know I've got other white pens and they... Oh, this one's really fine. Look at that. They work beautiful. So if you're looking for some white pens, these are they're white permanent markers and they're 3 different sizes. They are awesome because my jelly pens, they're always, oops, I should leave that over here, they're always mucking up on me. So these are going to be perfect. I love them. So happy. Alright, another product that I have got to show you is a paint tray. Now, I don't know if you're like me, but when I get my paints out, I make a horrendous mess. Okay, so you can just scrape your paint off in here like a palette, sit it up in there, and it's safe off your desk. It's not going to contaminate your work, what you're doing on. Put your paintbrushes up there. Awesome little product. Awesome little product. So happy with that. I needed that because I get in all sorts of mess when I paint. It's horrendous. Oh no, Dave always says to me, you want me to paint that? Because he knows that I'm a messy painter. And, yeah. Now my next product is a huge roll of iron-on fusible fleece interfacing for sewing and crafting. Right, let's open. See, this side here with the little bumps on it is the sticky side, and it's all on a roll of felt. So you can use this for, it's 12 inches by 5 yards, so that's a lot. So it's iron-on fusible batting on one side and fusible foam stabilizer white, and it's white. So cool. That is awesome. Awesome for the stitches, people that stitch, people that want to put a, what do you call it, an applique on something, you want a little bit of padding behind it, awesome product. What is next in here? I have, it's mica powder, but these ones are called Chameleon powders, and they've got these beautiful, beautiful shimmers. Look at that one. Beautiful. And you get it in a whole set, like it's a set of 2, 4, 6, 8 different colours. So there's a dusty pink, a midnight blue, this one's like a grey, you know, a charcoaly colour, green, purple, what's that colour? You can see different colours in it, hence the name Chameleon. It's like a coppery colour and a more of a gold colour. They are beautiful, beautiful Chameleon powders. So you can put them in your resins, you can put them on your paint, in your paints. You can do all sorts of things with the powders. You can put them on a medium of, you know, your stamp pad that has got the sticky stuff in it that you put your embossed powder on. Well, you can use them on them, you know. You stamp it on and put that on, and it just won't raise up, but it'll stay all flat with the Chameleon powder. So they're a handy little powder to have to with your crafting. Now, my next thing was this clear epoxy resin kit. Wow. Let's try and open it. Now this kit comes with the 2 different mixes. You've got 2 little cups to measure it with. Comes with part A and part B. Now this came in different sizes as well, but I just ordered the smaller size because the 120ml, because I wanted to see how it all worked. It also comes with you've got your little squeezy things, you know, your droppers that you can use. Comes with mixers, stick mixers and gloves. Everything you need to get started on resin making. You know, just start out small. If you've never done it before, start out small. I know Temu has got hundreds of molds, and you know, you could use your Chameleon powders in it, whatever you want. So that's cool. That's a cool little starter's kit, because you know, if I was looking and wondering what to get, I would look at something like this, a starter kit. Now my next product is, I might better just move a few things around, I think. I'll put them there so you can still see them. Now my next product is a interesting one. I've wanted one of these for a while now, and I think I'm going to really enjoy this. Now if you're a knitter or a crafter, you're going to love this, because this is, it sits up like this, and you've got rods in this packet, which I'll take out. I'm so glad that these rods are metal, not wooden. So what you do is you put them in here on your board, and you block your work. Okay, so if you're doing granny squares or knitted work, you know, all that sort of stuff, and you want to block your square, you can put it on a board, and look how high this goes up. These are 13 centimeters or 5 inches long. Now you can block a lot of pieces of work up that high, all on the 1-4 things. It's rods. Now there's all sorts of holes here. If you've got a weird shaped crochet piece like a hexagon, or I know I've got some other weird shapes too, it's going to accommodate any shape that you want on your board. And then you can sit it up like this, put your other little bits and pieces in there. It might even fit some crochet hooks in there, and then you can sit it up on your bench and, you know, look at it. Because, you know, when I craft, I love to sit things around while I'm doing it, because it really inspires me to keep going or do something else, or yeah, so I love to put my craft things on display, and this is a perfect way to display your blocking work. Beautiful. So I'm really happy with that. So this is a blocker, a crochet or a knitting blocker. It's made out of bamboo and it's beautifully made. Look at it. It's actually really pretty. Really pretty wood. So that's made out of bamboo. Beautiful. Love that. Alright. And my last product that I'm going to show today are some markers. This comes in a cute little packet. And look at them. Oh, nice. I've never had markers before like this. Isn't this special? I'm really excited. So let's have a go at one. Looks like they've got two different ends. Got this end here. Ooh, they go nice. Colour in nice. And then you've got a small tip end. They work really nice. A sketch marker. So look at the colours you get in there. They're beautiful. I like this green. Try. Oh. Nice. They all work really nice. Okay, so this is a pack of 48 pieces of colour art markers. They're double-ended sketch markers. Alright, so they are going to be cool to use. I have got a set of markers I bought a long time ago, but these are cool because they are, you know, they've got the wide end and the thin end. I like them. And I like the way it colours too, because each stroke just blended in with each other. I mean, this is a piece of embossed card, but you can see that each stroke blended in nicely to the next one. Yeah, so they'll be great to have a play with. Really keen to use them. So these are the products in part 2 that I ordered. Okay, so it was the fusible felt webbing, a big roll of it, the epoxy resin kit, which looks awesome. It's got everything you need to get started, the little paint brush holder, which will fix a lot of my painting mess, these gorgeous white markers that you've seen me scribble on the black and came out so clean and easily. These Chameleon powders, which are so pretty. So pretty. I mean, I have mica powders, but I didn't have the Chameleon ones, and they actually change colour. And the gorgeous bamboo crochet blocking board for your crochet or your knitting. And the markers. Okay, they are going to be fun. So much fun to work with. I'm so happy with what I ordered from Temu. Now you can, if you're new here, this is a Temu haul showcasing their products. You can see all the links below to Temu, the products I've shown here, to download the app, everything you need to get started with Temu. I haven't had any problems with Temu. I love their products. I love how quick they come. And you know what? If your product doesn't come on the date that they say, you get a $5 credit in your store. Now, I have, in your account, I have had that happen to me once or twice, and both times they gave me a $5 credit. So they do live up to what they say. And if you're interested, pop on and check Temu out. Alright, thank you for watching today, and I'll be back again real soon for a new video. I hope you've enjoyed this one, and give Temu a go and have fun with their products, and I'll catch you real soon. Bye.